Today on That Car Channel, I'm going to be installing a torque mount or Dogbone insert into the R36. Now, this is the same process for Mark 5 to Mark 7 Golf, GTI and R, as well as Audi A3s and some other vehicles in the Volkswagen Audi group. So let's get straight into it. So this is the box that it came in. It's no brand off the internet. I'll post a link to where it is. In the box contains the mount. It comes with a small packet of grease, a large washer, and a brand new grade 8.8 high tensile bolt. Whoops, got out of the packet. Alright. First things first, we are going to jack up the car. Alright, we have it jacked up. Of course, safety stands are an absolute must in this job because you're going to be getting right underneath the engine itself. So let's get under there and have a look at what we're dealing with. Alright, so that is the underside of the car, looking at it from the front. This is what they call the dog bone. The mount insert goes in that section there. So you can buy a whole replacement section of this, which has a urethane bush in here, another flat piece of steel that sort of connects this and replaces this with new bolts and replaces that whole section there. What I'm doing is just putting the insert in that, which fills the void of the rubber that is the factory mount. So that's what the mount looks like in the R36. Now, for being a metric car, that's a 21. I don't really want to use that. Got a 13/16 here on my 1/2" breaker bar. And that fits it absolutely perfectly. She's tight. Might want to bust out the old rattle gun for this one. Woo! She was in there all right. Okay. So luckily we got a new bolt because that one is looking mighty rusty. Probably not that bad actually, but anyway, it's a grade 8.8, so we're replacing it with an 8.8. And that's what the Dogbone mount looks like. And I'll be lubing up this lovely red insert and popping her in. Hopefully she'll fit in like a good girl. I just put a bit of lube on the bits that will sort of start, and then that grease will sort of go down as you push the bush in. I don't particularly want it all over my fingers, so I've put some nitrile gloves on. Righto, let's get under it. Oh, I love working on colours on the ground. What we need to do put the old bolt in a little bit first. Where is that socket that I was using? So I'll give a nice thumbs up there for a thumbnail pic, and we're done. So here I am under the car. I wanted to just double check on the torque setting for that bolt. 74 foot-pounds, by the way, with another quarter turn. But I realized that I had actually done the install all wrong. You're supposed to leave the factory bolt in there, put the insert in, then take out the factory bolt. Might have been a bit easier that way. So I don't know whether or not I should upload this video and show you another way of doing it. It's probably harder to do it the way that I just did it. But the idea is to leave the factory bolt in there, put the mount in, take the factory bolt out with your new bolt and the new washer, the new big washer. Pop the little washer